So here it is, Xiaomi 12s Ultra versus Xiaomi 12 Pro biannual flagships from Xiaomi comes in this package, and shockingly 12 Pro, which cost less, got 120 watts of fast charging. But yeah, great to see Xiaomi shipping power brick in the box. So 8 Plus Gen 1 versus 8 Gen 1, I want to see how much change Xiaomi has done, and yes, I'll be sharing some night and daylight images in the end, so make sure to watch it full. So booting both these devices, Xiaomi versus Xiaomi, both on latest MIUI. Yes, both these are Chinese variant, so same OS, TSMC based silicon versus Samsung based process, and Xiaomi 12s Ultra wins this one by huge margin, guys. Can see the power already. Fingerprint scanner test and same, trying once again, and that is same on both. You guys can see the status bar, performance mode is on, and battery saving mechanism is turned off from each single app. So dialer, same, messages, same, Play Store is slide fast on 12s Ultra, games listing and scrolling is smooth on both. Camera, and that is same, opening an image is same on both. Selfie shooter however is fast on 12s Ultra. Settings is tiny bit quicker on 12 Pro, and both got similar curve, single center hole punch display, and both on maxed out resolution and high refresh rate. So now some heavy games, starting with Angry Birds, and from now on you will see the actual difference of 8 Plus Gen 1 versus 8 Gen 1. So shockingly, this game was almost same on both, slide fast on 12 Pro. Now Genshin Impact, an amazing game with characters having magical powers, and I like this game a lot. Cost 16 gigs in total. And speeding it up, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra wins this one by a huge margin.
Is this an answer from this world?
So the gaming session was awesome on both these devices, no lags whatsoever. Shockingly, the 12 Pro is overheating right now, and 12s Ultra is not heating much. PUBG, an online battle game, you can play this with your friends, and single matches are there too. Got tons of new maps. So once again guys, Xiaomi 12s Ultra won by a huge margin, and now I'll show you the graphics settings, and it is maxed out on both. So this game was super smooth on both these devices, no lags or hiccups, just like any flagship. Gangster Vegas, a game like GTA, you can drive cars or fight anyone, buy a house. Yeah, I play this a lot, and once again Xiaomi 12s Ultra wins this race. Some social media apps like Instagram, and that is a tie. My profile however is quick on 12s Ultra. Reddit, and Xiaomi 12s Ultra wins once again. Now rendering and exporting 1080p video via Adobe Rush. This is a Plant vs Zombie clip, and wow, 12s Ultra with 8 Plus Gen 1 is like 3 times powerful than 8 Gen 1 in this test. MS Word 50 MB document, speeding it up, and that once again is like way fast on 12s Ultra. That was a gap of 26 seconds. Insane. So again guys, Xiaomi 12s Ultra wins this one by huge margin. And now RAM management test and dialer, a refresh on 12 Pro, Play Store, settings, Angry Birds, Genshin Impact, and shockingly it is a refresh on 12s Ultra. It however is there in the 12 Pro. Gangster Vegas, Instagram, Reddit, and finally messages. So -1 each, that was a tie, and Geekbench scores are similar in single core but in multi-core 4K plus in 8 plus Gen 1 versus 3400 in 8 Gen 1. Some images I shot using both these devices, and guys, Xiaomi 12s Ultra is clearly amazing when it comes to low light images. Yes, even in daylighting condition, the 12s Ultra is just awesome. The Leica partnership is going well, and I am using Leica natural mode which works great. But 12 Pro ain't that bad. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.